The Supreme Court made a surprising decision today in favor of the Constitution. They ruled that police need a warrant in order to go through a suspect's cell phone. But don't get your hopes up too high. I mean, this is the same Supreme Court which authorizes the NSA, the National Spying Agency, to circumvent these very protections that they have pretended to grant the citizens from police. They did rule that, quote, the term cell phone is misleading, for these devices are, in fact, mini computers that also happen to have the capacity to be used as a telephone. They could just as easily be called cameras, video players, Rolodexes, calendars, tape recorders, libraries, diaries, albums, televisions, maps, or newspapers. So they did rule that at least your little local police need a warrant if they're going to go through your cell phone if they detain or arrest you. They did advise some of the police to take countermeasures, though, to protect data on the cell phone while they're in the process of getting a warrant, saying that, warning that suspects may remotely wipe the phone due to a variety of features. So they said that they should take the battery out of the phone to prevent such thing from happening, or in the case of the iPhone, which you can't take the battery out of, they suggested putting it in a special lead bag to shield the phone from having any remote detections. So while everybody is all joyous today about the Supreme Court limiting police searches of cell phones, let us not forget that this is the same Supreme Court which has ruled that the National Spying Agency may actually, just not only just go through your data, but record every conversation. And again, it must be emphasized that it's not just a recording of who called who and when and where the phone was located. I mean, for probably a couple years now at least, they've been recording the actual audio conversations in a program which has been declassified, or not, I guess not declassified, but leaked, thanks to Edward Snowden. I mean, something that many people have known for years. I mean, you hardly ever even hear or see the word echelon talked about in any of these modern discussions about Big Brother or the Edward Snowden leaks. But for those who have been awake for some time, echelon is really the old system, just decades old, that has been the power horse of Big Brother. And so at least we now know the name of the program, Mystic, that records all conversations. And of course, once those conversations are recorded, they can use voice printing and keyword dictionary searches to search through all of those conversations. So, for example, if they wanted to find a particular conversation, the NSA, the Illuminati Mafia masters, wanted to find out which Congress people were talking about the Bilderberg Group, they would just enter the Bilderberg Group in as a dictionary and keyword search, and then select everybody in Congress as the targets, and then it would search through all of their recorded conversations for any word in those conversations that happened to be the Bilderberg Group, much like the audio recognition apps like Shazam and SoundHound, which can, in just a matter of a few seconds, identify accurately any song virtually from tens of millions that's playing. And of course, Facebook has a new app where it just wants to listen to the sounds around your phone to help you identify what television shows you're watching, and then it helps you share that with your friends. It's just to help you stay more connected. So while civil libertarians have hailed the Supreme Court's decision on police searches of cell phones a landmark for privacy in the digital age, it really is just a false sense of security, because the higher level Big Brother controllers have been and will continue to circumvent any laws regarding any privacy protections whatsoever. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Check out some of the previous videos in the playlists. Check out my book, Big Brother, The Orwellian Nightmare Come True, where you can get yourself up to speed on the latest Orwellian invasion and find out what's coming next. It's not available in stores, but you can get the book on Amazon.com in paperback, or download it right now into any e-reading device. And stay tuned, because there's more videos coming soon.